for apple. B for ball. C for cow. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kitten. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for potato. Q for quill. R for rose. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.